take 2 on the bodyboard repair videos. This one here I repaired, and I've just been out. We've been out down the beach for a week and had these boards in some very big surf, especially yesterday. Absolutely pounding surf, which I'm going to show you has absolutely ripped this board to pieces. These are the 2 I repaired in the last video, and this one here has come out absolutely unscathed. All of the stuff we did with the construction adhesive, that bit of a mess you see I made down there, everything perfect. It went through all that pounding surface, and I'm talking, we were ripping, we were getting crushed, we were getting dunked, the whole lot. Spot on. This one didn't fare so well. Have a look up here where it's ripped away at the top, and the plastic plate on the back here has absolutely detached, and it's actually taken a skin off. There's a bit of foam on here, so the glue has sort of held to the foam, but the foam has come away. So, but what's interesting is that all the bits that have come away are not where I've repaired. Where I did repair, it stayed. This is just the crappy glue job that they did out of the factory at the start. So I'm very, very happily going to put all this back together with the construction adhesive, and I know it's going to work really well. So same methods that I used, but again, down the bottom here, you see it's all just come away. But this is not where I glued before. Same thing down here, where I hadn't glued, it's come away. Where I did glue, it stayed. It's absolutely wonderful. So I'm absolutely convinced that the construction adhesive is the way to go. I'm just gonna, liquid nails or construction adhesive, have a look. There's another video, I'll put an end screen to it at the end of this. You can see the one where I actually glued it. So I'm gonna go now and glue all these up again and hold them down, because we're going back down the beach again in a few days. And this board looks like it's absolutely destroyed, ready for the bin. But with that construction adhesive, this will come back together again and be spot on. This Max Nails construction adhesive is the wording to look for. I'll put a link out there for the similar product in America, so you can find the right stuff for gluing up your board. But just thin smears is all that it takes, and press it down and then hold it in place. I'm going to get some different weights to sit on here to hold the base on and the front on. You may not be able to glue it all together depending on how many ways you've got of holding it in place. A peg will actually go on there, hold those 2 together. But the big tip I want to give you right now is put on a disposable glove, because this stuff doesn't come off easily. It will just wear off and come off, but it's pretty strong stuff, so it won't hurt you in any way. It'll just leave a little smear of glue on there that won't come off for a while. So put on disposable gloves so you can peel it off and don't end up with it on your skin.